my sponsor, the guy was homeless, completely homeless. He didn't know me. He got my number from a pastor that who was a friend to him. He wanted to introduce the pastor to the business, but the pastor said no, he could not see it. So, but the guy was so smart, he asked for a referral. And the pastor said there is a guy in Dallas, he might be interested on that coffee thing. So he took my information, he called me, he told me about the coffee. I didn't have any relationship with the guy. And I said no, because I could not see me making money on the coffee. I could not see me at all. I did not even have a belief that I'm going to be successful on the coffee. I didn't see it. I said no. But this guy insisted over and over, send me text messages and all those kind of stuff. And finally, I said, send me that coffee so I can test it. I'm not a coffee drinker. I don't know how it's going to taste, but send it. He sent me a lot of coffee, samples. I drink it all. For the last 15 years, I was doing carpet cleaning. Carpet cleaning, cleaning people's houses. That is what I did for 15 years. And I was doing really good, but the economy, when it came down, I needed money really bad. So I was looking for something, but I remembered about that guy who kept on sending me messages and stuff, calling him now myself, asking, how is that coffee thing? He was excited on the other side. I can just feel the excitement, and I wanted to be excited like him. So that is when I started interviewing him. How are you, who are you, or whatever. When he told me he was homeless, living in a Euro truck, and is almost getting out to buy his house, that is when I said, let me know more about this guy. Who is showing you to become financially free? Who is showing you to make money? That is when he introduced me. I said, I would like to talk to that guy who is helping you. That's when he introduced me, put me a three-way with the Holton Bucks. And then, since then, after I spoke with the Holton Bucks, I just felt, I joined the business on faith. That's what I did. I joined on faith that I would do it. Now I found somebody who knows what they're doing. They have already made money, and they're going to help me make money. I said, I need money really bad. I'm going to do whatever it takes, whatever they tell me to do, until I win too. And that's what I did. Actually, we are using coffee as a vehicle to deliver the healthy benefit, okay? And that is a genius there, okay? If everybody can see what we have right now, how easy it is, anybody can win on this coffee industry, what we are doing with OrganoGo right now.